Ellen Johnson Sirleaf is an inspiration. Her life and achievements have left an indelible mark on history. She is a woman of many firsts, breaking barriers and setting new standards for women in leadership. She became the first woman to be elected head of state in Africa, a monumental achievement that inspired countless others. A pioneer for democracy and women's rights, Sirleaf's journey is nothing short of extraordinary. Her relentless pursuit of justice and equality has paved the way for future generations. Born in Liberia, she witnessed firsthand the challenges facing her nation. Poverty, inequality, and political instability were rampant. Despite these obstacles, she dared to dream of a better future for her country and its people. Her leadership journey began far from the halls of power. She started at the grassroots level, working closely with communities to understand their needs and aspirations. She worked tirelessly, advocating for change and pushing for reforms that would benefit the most vulnerable. Her voice resonated with many, especially women, who saw in her a role model and a champion for their rights. Sirleaf's story is a testament to courage and determination. She faced numerous challenges but never wavered in her commitment to her vision. Today, she stands as a beacon of hope, not just for Liberia but for the entire world. Her legacy continues to inspire and motivate people everywhere to strive for a better, more just society. Ellen Johnson Sirleaf's story began humbly. Born in Monrovia, she experienced firsthand the struggles of ordinary Liberian. Education became her pathway to a brighter future. She pursued her studies with unwavering dedication. First in Liberia, then in the United States. Economics became her passion. She understood its power to transform lives. Her early career was marked by success. She held prominent positions in government and international organizations, but her heart remained in Liberia. Her international experience provided valuable insights. She witnessed firsthand the workings of developed economies. She knew Liberia could rise again. Liberia was engulfed in civil wars. Years of conflict had devastated the nation. Hope seemed lost amidst the violence and despair. Ellen Johnson Sirleaf refused to stay silent. She raised her voice against the bloodshed. She called for peace and reconciliation. Her courage in confronting warlords earned her admiration. She risked her own life to bring an end to the suffering. Her message resonated with the people. Sirleaf's efforts were instrumental in peace negotiations. She played a key role in brokering a fragile peace. Her commitment to her people never wavered. In 2005, Liberia held its first democratic elections after the devastating civil war that had torn the country apart for years. The atmosphere was charged with anticipation and hope as citizens lined up to cast their votes, eager to turn a new page in their nation's history. Ellen Johnson Sirleaf stepped forward, a beacon of hope and resilience. Her campaign resonated deeply with the people, promising a future of stability and progress. The people placed their trust in her, believing in her vision for a better Liberia. Her victory was historic, marking a significant milestone not just for Liberia but for the entire African continent. She became the first woman elected head of state in Africa, a groundbreaking achievement that inspired many. Her leadership was seen as a testament to the power of democracy and the potential for change. A testament to her leadership and the power of democracy, Sirleaf's presidency symbolized a new era. She faced the monumental task of rebuilding a nation from the ashes of war. The task ahead was daunting. Liberia's infrastructure was in ruins, and the scars of conflict were visible everywhere. Rebuilding a nation ravaged by war required immense effort and dedication. Roads, schools, and hospitals needed to be reconstructed from the ground up. Healing the wounds of division was equally important. Sirleaf worked tirelessly to foster unity and peace among the Liberian people, encouraging communities to come together and rebuild their lives. Sirleaf embraced the challenge with determination and a clear vision. She knew that the road to recovery would be long and arduous, but she was committed to seeing it through. Her presidency focused on reconciliation and reconstruction, laying the groundwork for a more stable and prosperous future. She initiated numerous projects aimed at rebuilding the nation's infrastructure and restoring public services. She prioritized education, healthcare, and economic empowerment, understanding that these were the pillars upon which a thriving nation could be built. Schools were reopened, healthcare facilities were restored, and economic activities began to flourish once more. She knew these were the foundations of a thriving nation. Sirleaf's efforts were not just about rebuilding structures, but about restoring hope and dignity to the Liberian people, ensuring a brighter future for generations to come. Ellen Johnson Sirleaf's presidency was not without its challenges. She faced numerous obstacles, both from within the government and from external pressures. Corruption remained a persistent problem, deeply rooted in the system. Despite her efforts, it was a constant battle to bring about change. The Ebola outbreak in 2014 tested the nation's resilience. It was a crisis that demanded immediate and decisive action. Yet, through it all, she remained steadfast. Her leadership during this time was crucial in navigating the country through such a devastating period. Her commitment to transparency and good governance never wavered. She implemented policies aimed at reducing corruption and increasing accountability. She led with compassion and strength, always putting the needs of her people first. Her empathy and dedication were evident in her interactions with citizens. Her legacy extends far beyond Liberia's borders. She became a global figure advocating for peace, women's rights, and democratic governance. She's a symbol of women's empowerment, breaking barriers and inspiring countless women to pursue leadership roles. An inspiration to young girls across Africa and the world, showing them that with determination and hard work, they too can achieve greatness. Sirleaf's journey teaches us the power of perseverance. Her story is a testament to the impact one individual can have on a nation. The importance of raising our voices against injustice. She consistently stood up for what was right, even in the face of adversity. The enduring strength of the human spirit, her legacy is a beacon of hope, reminding us that with courage and determination, we can overcome any challenge.